how to cut the cape. This is the cape I will be cutting now. I fold this cape like this. Fold the fabric like this. I fold my fabric like this into two. How to cut cape for the dress I'm making. I fold it into two like this and fold it again to be into four, to make it into four like this. Into four like this. Remember, I fold into two fours, and let me use paper for this illustration. This paper for this dress to make it simple for you. Now I fold my dress like the way I fold this thing. I fold it like this into two like this first for better understanding. After that, remember I fold like this into two, and I fold it again like this. I hope you see it. I fold it to two first, and I fold it again like this to cut my cape. This is how to cut, very easy. And what I want now, and this is how it is. I will now take my round. This is the neck. This is the neck. Like I said, I've joined it together. I've joined this neck together. This is where I'll be attaching the cape. This is where I'll be attaching my cape. So I make sure this from this shoulder here, I make sure it's round from the front, from this shoulder here, this band here, I make sure it's round to this other side. I make sure it's to the back side like this, all the way to this side. Right? So whatever I got, that is what I will use to be cutting my cape. So what I got from this round neck is 41. Now this 41, I will divide it into 4. You can use your tape, you can use your calculator, whichever one. But the easier one is to use your tape. Tape is very easy for it. 41, divide it into 2. Just because I'm for the same allowance, I can make it 42. I divided it into 2. What I got was 10 and half. So it's 10 and a half I'll be using for this this marks here, this side here. So for me to get this 49, this 9 and 10 and a half, I can first of all take something like this first. This is 7. It's not constant. This thing is not constant. Just for me to get my round neck measurement, that is why I'm taking it. Because after taking it like this, if it's more than that, you reduce it. Now I measure it. I measure my distance to get my 10 and a half. 10 and a half. 10 and a half. No, it's more than that. Now I reduce this more. I reduce it by half inches. I reduce it. I make sure that what I will be cutting will be that exactly that 10 and a half. I take the measurement again. Measure it to get my 10 and a half. Don't be more than that. Next, I've gotten my 10 and a half. So I'll be cutting this 10 and a half. Then the length I'll be using for my cape depends the length of your choice. Then what I'll be using here is 5 inches. I'm okay with this 5 inches. By the time I will sew the upside and the other side, it will remain 4 inches. So I'm okay with this 5 inches. Okay, I can make it. Let me make it 6 inches. I still have enough fabric. So this 6 inches is what I'll be taking around. I'll take it around like this. I'll take it like this around. So I will take this 6 around. So after that, I use my scissors and cut this round side here. Now I'm cutting this the neck. be using this. I'll be using lining for it. So I will notch it just for me to know where uh where will be the part is. That's the reason why I notch it. And remember, I will open one side. I'm going to be opening one side. Before opening this side, I will use it to cut lining. I want to use lining to turn it. You can fit it without lining, but in this one I'm making, I will use lining to turn it. So this is how to cut this cape. Very easy to